Welcome back and welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing understanding crypto trading in Nigeria, the risks and the rewards. In this video, you're going to be hearing real-life experiences, actionable insights, and step-by-step guide of going into cryptocurrency trading in Nigeria. So if you're thinking about investing in crypto trading or you're just curious about how it works, this is the right channel for you. First of all, let's start with the basics. In simple terms, crypto trading is buying and selling of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and digital assets. And with what goal? With the aim of making profits. So in Nigeria, you hear the word crypto is the order of the day because it's a very safe alternative to the banking system. The value of Naira has been so volatile, so people want to invest in something they can get value on. The inflation rate is so high and crypto offers the potential for Nigerians to grow their money or even use it as an edge against the weakening Naira. Data shows that Nigerians rank the top worldwide in the adoption of cryptocurrencies. So why are many Nigerians so interested in cryptocurrencies? Well, like I've said before, among other reasons, is potentially the fact that it is easily accessible and it has high profitability. So unlike other investment that involves extensive documentation or paperwork, take for instance one of my recent videos, I spoke about investment, talk of stock, bond, treasury bill. Those kind of investment involves paperwork, right? But cryptocurrency doesn't. It's pretty accessible. You can start with a few thousands of Naira and you only need a smartphone. Plus, many young Nigerians see crypto as a way to participate in the financial markets, like the global financial market, from the comfort of their homes. For instance, I'll share this real life example with you. Between the period of 2020 and 2021, Bitcoin went around just $6,000 to $65,000 at its peak. So imagine those who had invested between that period. Like, imagine if you had invested in 2020 and then in 2021, just a year later or barely a year later, you are cashing out $65,000. Check out the massive difference. What kind of investment will give you that or yield you that in the twinkling of an eye, except forex trading though, which is a lot more volatile. Imagine buying just a fraction of that $6,000. One Bitcoin was $6,000. So imagine you don't have $6,000 here, but you bought a fraction of it. Probably you invested 50,000 Naira, right? That's a fraction of the $6,000. And then you just sat to watch it grow. Boom, and boom, 2021. Imagine, that is so enticing. So that is why young Nigerians are so involved in cryptocurrency, and even older Nigerians are having the same vibe. But it's important for you to remember that as with any high reward investments, there are also high risks. So I told you I was going to talk about the rewards and the risks, right? So let's pick the rewards first. So here is why some Nigerians see cryptocurrency as a powerful opportunity. Cryptocurrency has very high potential for growth. That is, it can grow so fast. Just like the example I gave earlier, Bitcoin skyrocketed, so did other coins. For example, Ethereum rose from around $130 in 2020 to over $4,000 at its peak in 2021. So you can see $130 to $4,000. How massive is that difference? That is roughly 3,000% profit in just over a year. The second is portfolio diversification. So if you don't want to invest your money in Naira because of the devaluation, you can invest safely in cryptocurrency, and then you still have more than the value of what you invested. Cryptocurrency allows you to diversify away from the traditional Nigerian stocks, real estate, or Naira-denominated savings. This way, if one asset class struggles, crypto could just balance out your portfolio. The third reward is easy access to foreign exchange. For many Nigerians, getting FX can be very difficult. By FX, I mean dollars, right? Or hard currency. But by investing in dollar-denominated assets like stablecoins, when I say stablecoins, we are talking about the category of USDT, USDC, you can preserve the value of your money against Naira depreciation. Take for instance, I'm going to change these names, right, in this video because these are people that I know personally, all right? So let me use the name John. John is a young Nigerian youth who started buying cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, in his late 20s with savings from his job as a software developer. Over time, the value of his asset grew, helping him save in a currency that was increasing while Naira was losing in value. Now, he uses crypto to protect his money from inflation and currency devaluation. By the way, have you joined my YouTube channel? If you have not joined my membership, this is the time for you to join. I'm giving out some lovely freebies. If you're a small YouTube channel, I'm working to collaborate with you on a one-time fully free package If you're an individual, I'm working to also collaborate with you by giving you a shout out. And if you have a product or service, I'm giving you a one-time advert on my channel. So it's time for you to hurry, join my channel membership today. Now, here's the other side of the coin. While cryptocurrency can offer a very massive reward, it is important for us to be cautious. Now, let's talk about some key risks you need to be aware of. The volatility of cryptocurrency. Crypto prices fluctuate wildly. Imagine buying a coin at $60,000 and watching it fall to $30,000 overnight. It could happen in hours, it could happen in a day, in a week, in months. It could happen at any time, hence the volatility. That's a 50% loss in your investment. So for things to change, you might need to really be patient. And you might just be very fortunate for it to come up just like that. There is also something we call regulatory risks. The Nigerian government has placed a restriction on cryptocurrency transactions. As a consequence, traditional banks won't process crypto transactions. P2P networks have helped people. When I mean P2P, I mean peer-to-peer. It has helped a lot of people to buy cryptocurrencies and sell cryptocurrencies without using the banks. However, there is still regulatory uncertainty. Regulations could change overnight, impacting crypto's future in Nigeria. Number 3 for the risks is the security risk. Unlike the normal bank accounts, crypto accounts aren't always insured. If your crypto account gets hacked, your money could be gone forever. And remember, it's in hard currency. Many Nigerians learned this the hard way when exchanges like Binance or Luno faced technical issues. But you can reduce your risks by using secure wallets and enabling two-factor authentication. To be honest, even traditional banks these days are having technical issues. So I think it's the same for me. Number 4 is the scams. Unfortunately, with the rise of cryptocurrencies, scams are also on the rise. Please be wary of anyone promising you a guaranteed return on your investment in crypto or asking you to send them crypto. I know groups that you can buy and sell cryptos. So if you are interested in this, holla at me, send me an email on my usual email address. I'm going to share that with you. There are also Ponzi schemes disguised as crypto investments. These are everywhere in Nigeria, so please always do thorough research. I've always told you, the fact that you're watching a video online does not mean it's a financial advice. Your job is to do a thorough research before investing your money. So if you're interested in crypto and you want to get started safely, here are some key tips. 1. Start small. Only invest what you can afford to lose. I know we say this all the time, and Nigerians will be like, I've heard you, but then they'll just go back and do quite the opposite. But I will reiterate. So if you're new to cryptocurrency beginner, please begin with small amounts and learn the market before going in deeper. Choose a reliable exchange platform. Popular exchanges among Nigerians include Binance, Luno, and Remitano. These platforms have P2P options, making it so much easier to buy or sell without going through the banks. 3 is to diversify. Don't ever put all your money in one coin. Please consider spreading your investments across different coins, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, and the likes of them. Number 4, research. Look at incredible news sources and learn about each crypto coin before investing, please. Websites like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko provide information on market trends, coins, and exchanges. Guys, this is how to trade cryptocurrency as a beginner. This is what to know about cryptocurrency as a beginner. I've just given you a crash course on crypto trading in Nigeria. So as you've seen, there are both big opportunities and big risks, but with the right approach, crypto can be a powerful addition to your financial journey. Remember to start small, diversify, stay informed, and most importantly, only invest what you can afford to lose. Please don't forget to join my YouTube membership, subscribe to my channel, like this content, and share it with any other person you know is trying to grow financially. And as I hope to see you next time, watch this video next.